Hbar at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices and has now broken above a horizontal line of resistance above the 0.25324, flipping that key area back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why I am expecting a new all-time high here on the Hbar chart, giving you the Ether roadmap that Hbar is most likely to follow. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made in November 2024, you can see that we saw this aggressive bounce to the upper side in a move that made a high above the 0.4742 mark, completing the formation of this impulsive Ether count 1. We then started a corrective structure to the downside in the formation of this second wave, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and the minimum pullback target area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that was between the 0.22314 and the 0.11954, which is the red target area on the chart, an area that we fully maximized. And we are now seeing a reaction of this target area, giving us a bounce to the upper side in what can easily turn out to be the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my first minimum target area lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.7123 as my first target area to the upside. And once that target area is hit, then I will expect a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5, possibly giving us a break above the 1 USDT mark in the next coming weeks. So on the long term, I am expecting a new all-time high in the formation of that wave 3. And also remember, because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, we should expect a 5-wave structure to also play out within the formation of that wave 3. And there's a very high chance that this bounce that we saw from the lows we made on the 22nd of May could be the formation of that first wave, and the top is almost in. So in case we start seeing a pullback over here, and maybe at some point we also lose support above the 0.25324, flipping it back into resistance, then we should start expecting a bit of a retracement in the formation of a second wave. And as long as the second wave continues to hold within support, then we should expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher to new all-time highs in the formation of that wave 5. So that is all that I am expecting here on the Hbar chart on the long term and also on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.